A monkey is a primate of the Haplorrhini suborder and simian infraorder, either an Old World monkey or a New World monkey, but excluding apes and humans. By this definition, the most common in biology, the monkeys are the group of all primates that are not tarsiers, lemurs, apes or humans and consist of about 260 known living species. Colloquially, the term monkey can also include all non-human apes. Many species are arboreal, although there are species that live primarily on the ground, such as baboons. Monkeys are generally considered to be intelligent. Unlike apes, monkeys usually have tails. Tailless monkeys may be called apes, incorrectly according to modern usage. Thus the tailless Barbary macaque is called the Barbary ape. The New World monkeys are classified within the parvorder of Platyrrhini, whereas the Old World monkeys form part of the parvorder Catarrhini, which also includes the hominoids. Thus, as Old World monkeys are more closely related to hominoids than they are to New World monkeys, the monkeys are not a unitary group. Historical and modern terminology. According to the online etymology dictionary, the word monkey may originate in a German version of the Reynard the Fox fable, published circa 1580. In this version of the fable, a character named Munich is the son of Martin the ape. In English, no very clear distinction was originally made between ape and monkey. Thus the 1910 Encyclopædia Britannica entry for ape notes that it is either a synonym for monkey, or is used to mean a tailless human-like primate. Such ambiguities persist. Colloquially, the terms monkeys and apes may still be used interchangeably. Also, a few monkey species have the word ape in their common name, such as the Barbary ape. Later in the first half of the 20th century, the idea developed that there were trends in primate evolution and that the living members of the order could be arranged in a series, leading through monkeys and apes to humans. Monkeys thus constituted a grade on the path to humans and were distinguished from apes. Scientific classifications are now more often based on monophyletic groups, that is, groups consisting of all the descendants of a common ancestor. The New World monkeys and the Old World monkeys are each monophyletic groups, but their combination is not, since it excludes hominoids. Thus the term monkey no longer refers to a recognized scientific taxon. The smallest accepted taxon which contains all the monkeys is the infraorder Simiiformes, or simians. However, this also contains the hominoids, so that monkeys are, in terms of currently recognized taxa, non-hominoid simians. Colloquially and pop culturally, the term is ambiguous and sometimes monkey includes non-human hominoids. A group of monkeys may be commonly referred to as a tribe or a troop. Physical description. Monkeys range in size from the pygmy marmoset, which can be as small as 117 mm with a 172 mm tail and just over 100 grams in weight, to the male mandrill, almost 1 meter long and weighing up to 36 kilograms. Some are arboreal while others live on the savanna. Diets differ among the various species but may contain any of the following: fruit, leaves, seeds, nuts, flowers, eggs and small animals. Some characteristics are shared among the groups. Most New World monkeys have prehensile tails while Old World monkeys have non-prehensile tails or no visible tail at all. Old World monkeys have trichromatic color vision like that of humans, while New World monkeys may be trichromatic, dichromatic, or as in the owl monkeys, and Greater Galagos are monochromatic. Although both the New and Old World monkeys, like the apes, have forward-facing eyes, the faces of Old World and New World monkeys look very different, though again, each group shares some features such as the types of noses, cheeks and rumps. Classification. The following list shows where the various monkey families are placed in the classification of living primates. Order Primates, suborder Strepsini, non-tarsier prosimians, suborder Haplorrhini, tarsiers, monkeys, and apes, infraorder Tarsiiformes, family Tarsieridae, tarsiers. Infraorder Simiiformes, simians, parvorder Platyrrhini, New World monkeys, family Callitrichidae, marmosets and tamarins, family Ceboidea, capuchins and squirrel monkeys, family Artidae, night monkeys, family Pitheciidae, Titus, sarkies, and wakaris, family Atylidae, howler, spider, and woolly monkeys. Parvorder Catarrhini, superfamily Cercopithecoidea, family Cercopithecoidea, Old World monkeys. Superfamily Hominoidae, apes, family Hylobatidae, gibbons, family Hominidae, great apes including humans. Relationship with humans. The many species of monkey have varied relationships with humans. Some are kept as pets, others used as model organisms in laboratories or in space missions. They may be killed in monkey drives or used as service animals for the disabled. In some areas, some species of monkey are considered agricultural pests, and can cause extensive damage to commercial and subsistence crops. This can have important implications for the conservation of endangered species, which may be subject to persecution. In some instances, farmers' perceptions of the damage may exceed the actual damage. Monkeys that have become habituated to human presence in tourist locations may also be considered pests, attacking tourists. In religion and culture, the monkey often represents quick-wittedness and mischief. As service animals for the disabled, some organizations train capuchin monkeys as service animals to assist quadriplegics and other people with severe spinal cord injuries or mobility impairments. After being socialized in a human home as infants, the monkeys undergo extensive training before being placed with a disabled person. Around the house, the monkeys assist with feeding, fetching, manipulating objects, and personal care. In experiments, the most common monkey species found in animal research are the grivet, the rhesus macaque, and the crab-eating macaque, which are either wild-caught or purpose-bred. They are used primarily because of their relative ease of handling, their fast reproductive cycle and their psychological and physical similarity to humans. Worldwide, it is thought that between 100,000 and 200,000 non-human primates are used in research each year, 64.7% of which are Old World monkeys, and 5.5% New World monkeys. This number makes a very small fraction of all animals used in research. Between 1994 and 2004, the United States has used an average of 54,000 non-human primates, while around 10,000 non-human primates were used in the European Union in 2002. The use of monkeys in laboratories is controversial. Animal rights activists claim that their use is cruel and produces little information of value, and there have been many protests, vandalism to testing facilities and threats to workers. Others claim that it has led to many important medical breakthroughs such as the rabies vaccine, understanding of human reproduction and basic knowledge about brain function, and that the prevention of harm to humans should be a higher priority than the possible harm done to monkeys. The topic has become a popular cause for animal rights and animal welfare groups. In space, a number of countries have used monkeys as part of their space exploration programs, including the United States and France. The first monkey in space was Albert II, who flew in the U.S.-launched B-2 rocket on June 14, 1949. As food, monkey brains are eaten as a delicacy in parts of South Asia, Africa and China. In traditional Islamic dietary laws, the eating of monkeys is forbidden. However, monkeys are sometimes eaten in parts of Africa, where they can be sold as bushmeat. Literature. Sun Wukong, a character who figures prominently in Chinese mythology, is the main protagonist in the classic comic Chinese novel Journey to the West. Monkeys are prevalent in numerous books, television programs, and movies. The television series Monkey and the literary characters Monsieur Eek and Curious George are all examples. Informally, the term monkey is often used more broadly than in scientific use, and may be used to refer to apes, particularly chimpanzees, gibbons, and gorillas. Author Terry Pratchett alludes to this difference in usage in his Discworld novels, in which the librarian of the Unseen University is an orangutan who gets very violent if referred to as a monkey. Another example is the use of simians in Chinese poetry. The winged monkeys are prominent characters in The Wizard of Oz. Religion and worship. Hanuman, a prominent divine entity in Hinduism, is a human-like monkey god. He bestows courage, strength and longevity to the person who thinks about him, or the god Rama. In Buddhism, The monkey is an early incarnation of Buddha but may also represent trickery and ugliness. The Chinese Buddhist mind-monkey metaphor refers to the unsettled, restless state of human mind. Monkey is also one of the three senseless creatures, symbolizing greed, with the tiger representing anger and the deer lovesickness. The Mizaru, or three wise monkeys, are revered in Japanese folklore. Together they embody the proverbial principle to see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. The Moche people of ancient Peru worship nature. They placed emphasis on animals and often depicted monkeys in their art. The Zeltal people of Mexico worshipped monkeys as incarnations of their dead ancestors. Zodiac: the monkey is the ninth in the 12-year cycle of animals which appear in the Chinese zodiac related to the Chinese calendar. The next time that the monkey will appear as the zodiac sign will be in the year 2016. See also: List of New World monkey species, List of Old World monkey species, List of individual monkeys, List of fictional primates, List of primates by population, signifying monkey. References. External links: The Impossible Housing and Handling Conditions of Monkeys in Research Laboratories, by Victor Reinhardt, International Primate Protection League, August 2001, The Problem with Pet Monkeys, Reasons Monkeys Do Not Make Good Pets, an article by veterinarian Leanne McLeod on About.com, Helping Hands, Monkey Helpers for the Disabled, a U.S. national non-profit organization based in Boston, Massachusetts that places specially trained capuchin monkeys with people who are paralyzed or who live with other severe mobility impairments.